Yes guys, this is how to cook kidney. You just cut up the meat, slice it up fine like that. And this is the seasoning you use on it. Yeah. This a jerky, this chili pepper, Irish carrot, scallion and thyme, pepper, garlic, ginger. So I will throw the jerk seeds upon it now. You know what I mean? Chew over the jerk season. Alright guys, look at the chili pepper. Just look at that. Some in the jerk season already. So guys, stay tuned. We'll cut up them seasoning and put them on it. Then we'll put them on the fire. So please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Alright guys. Yes guys, so throw some browning on it. Cut up the seasoning on it. So I set on it on the fire and just get your fire before just get your cold stove before I'll show you in a second. So throw some browning on the meat. Look guys, it's pretty now. Cook yet. Yes guys. That is the fry guys. So I will set on the pot now guys. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to throw in there guys and throw in the meat. Make the pot go hot. Oil. Yes guys, so I'm throwing this on the iron also. Stay tuned guys, you'll see when it cook down. Yeah. You know, River Stream TV coming to you. Yes guys, back. I'm throwing the iron. Well, I'm throwing the meat now. bit of water and so throw upon it and then just put it down, make it run and cook. So stay tuned guys, you'll see when it cook. Yes guys, so welcome back. And look on the meat now. Yes guys, we're doing it now. Like that. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm going to take off this one, sit on the floor part. Stay tuned guys, you see the floor. Yes guys, so it's so done. We need the flour them. And by the way, me put some oats in the flour because enough cornmeal over there. That is how it look. You want to put piece of yam in it, but I wait till the flour boil too. So stay tuned guys, you'll see when it's done. And remember to subscribe guys. River Stream TV. Yes guys, we're done in this now, so we make it to the end of the video guys. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. Glory be to God. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. River Stream TV. I'm out guys.